Let's learn about 2 and 3-digit numbers with Moyo. Numbers from 1 to 9 are 1-digit numbers. After 9 comes the first and the smallest 2-digit number, that is, 10. 1 is placed at the tens place. 0 is placed at the ones place. After 10 comes 11, then 12, and so on till 99. So, we observe that 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. After 99 comes 100, which has 3 digits. 1 is at the hundreds place, 0 at the tens place, and this 0 is at the ones place. So, 100 is the first and the smallest 3-digit number. Some more 3-digit numbers are 112 and 236. As we know, 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. Similarly, 999 is the greatest 3-digit number.